I'm Johnny from Johnny's Vintage Motorcycle Company, and we're offering a 1972 Kawasaki H2 750 chassis. Now the chassis looks like it's pretty stock. Most of the parts on it look like they're original. Looks like it's got a nice rear fender on it. Battery box looks pretty cool. Swing arm looks good. Rear wheel looks okay. Still has the, I think that's the original backing plate painted black. It's something we just pulled out of my barn. I've had this for probably 30 years. I don't have a title for it. I got it from New York every bit of 30 years ago. Somewhere in the early 90s I bought this. Wheels don't look too bad. These are the original grips. I don't think the bars are original because they're not solid, and I think H2 had a solid bar in 72. Perch looks pretty good. Clamps look good. Footrest don't look too bad. Looks like all the motor mount bolts are there. The motor mounts are there. Steering dampener bracket still there with the eye here. Rubbers are there. The dampener is busted off at the top. But what a start. What a start for a nice project. Got the original sticker here. I don't know the exact date of manufacturer. However, it has a 0 in front of the VIN number. So it's 08702 it looks like. But not a bad looking piece. Definitely a head start on restoring something. Prime the frame. You come to this side of the frame. I don't know if that's been touched up or not. Something I don't know. Looks like maybe a little extra welding. I don't know. But all in all, this is a pretty cool piece. We're going to be offering this on eBay at no reserve, and possible low-cost shipping available on request as we get to the East Coast from time to time. So thanks for looking at it. If you have any questions, let us know. But it looks pretty authentic to me. As we've had it for 30 years and we haven't touched it.